Hi, my name is Brian Mercedes, founder and CEO of Roanex TMS. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to properly notify the broker and factoring company that the load has been completed. So from here from the dashboard, you're going to click on loads. Then you click on the desired load to update. Make sure it's completed. So you see the load information here. What you're going to do, you're going to click on tracking. Please make sure again the load has been completed, otherwise you won't be able to do this on a load that is not completed. So what you do is you click on notify customer. You have the option here to add any custom notes if you want to. It's optional, otherwise it's just going to add the default notes. Here it's letting you know that this load information is going to be sent to the broker and factoring company, such as documents, rate confirmation, any type of documents involved in the load. Also information like the rate, mileage, and all that is going to be sent to the factoring company. So you click on submit, and it's asking you to confirm, are you sure you want to do this? Again, all the documents are going to be sent to them by email. You click OK. Email sent. Emails, because it's more than one email. You exit out of here. You see the load automatically gets marked as invoiced. You see the date when it was invoiced. How do you know who it was sent to? You see the email here for the customer, and you see the email here for the factoring company, which is this factoring company is attached to this customer because this customer is using a factoring company. That's why you can see that information here. That's how it works. If this was one of those loads that those customers like Uber Freight or Convoy, and there are some other brokers that have their own ways to pay drivers or carriers. They don't need a factoring company, and then a factoring company would not be here. So you just send it directly to the customer. Automatically does that. So that's how you do this. If you have any more questions, please let me know on the comments below. Please follow us on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.